Want to make your emails look more professional by adding a logo or personal headshot to your Gmail signature? Sizing and formatting images inside Gmail Signature Editor is easy once you know the exact steps. Let's customize your email signature in under a minute. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Open Gmail. Open your web browser, navigate to Gmail, and log into your account. Open Settings menu. Click the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner of the screen. See All Settings. Click See All Settings to open the main configuration dashboard. Navigate to Signature. Stay on the General tab and scroll down until you locate the Signature section. Click Insert Image icon. In the Signature Rich Text Editor toolbar, click the Insert Image icon. Looks like a mountain landscape. Choose Image Source. Select your file source by clicking Upload from Computer, My Drive from Google Drive, or Web Address URL. Position your image. Once inserted into the text box, click the image to adjust its alignment or resizing options if needed.
Save changes. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button to apply your new signature. And your new image signature will now automatically attach to every email you draft. If this quick tutorial helped customize your Gmail account today, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.